guys, this is Coffee and Cryptos. My name is Dom, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I make a healthy version of a pumpkin cream cold brew. Welcome back to another video. Before we get into the cold brew recipe, it's time for the crypto word of the day. The crypto word of the day is scalability. Scalability means to increase transaction speed and transaction throughput. In order for a crypto project to succeed, it needs to handle a large number of transactions quickly without sacrificing decentralization or security. If you want to learn more about scalability, check out Ryan's video titled The Blockchain Trilemma, which will be linked in the description below. Here I have all the ingredients to make a healthy version of the pumpkin cream cold brew. In order to make the pumpkin cream cold brew, you'll need some oat milk, it's low fat. You'll need your cold brew. Today I'll be using the Stoats Unsweet Black Cold Brew, but you can use whichever cold brew you like best. I have my pumpkin pie spice, some maple syrup and honey, some pumpkin puree. I use this can from H-E-B, and then I also have my vanilla syrup. This recipe doesn't come out as creamy as it would if you were to get it from Starbucks, but it is healthier and it still tastes very good. Okay, let's get started. The first step is you're going to measure out 1 cup of the low-fat oat milk. So here I have my measuring cup, and I'm just going to pour 1 cup of oat milk. Set that down and put this there. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin puree. Follow that up with 3 tablespoons of your maple syrup and honey. If you don't have maple syrup and honey, you can either use just maple syrup or you can use all honey, whichever you prefer. I kind of like a combination of the both. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons here. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of my vanilla syrup. Just like that. And then the last thing to add is you're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of your pumpkin pie spice. You can just take off the top, take your 1/2 teaspoon, and scoop out the pumpkin pie spice. So there you have all the mixture. And what you're going to do is you're going to froth it up. You can either, if you don't have a milk frother like this one, you can put it in a mason jar and shake it up really good for about a minute, and that'll get it nice and thick. Or if you have a milk frother, you can go ahead and add it to the milk frother. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to use this to get the rest of the maple syrup in there. Go ahead and cover it. In there, you're going to froth cold milk. I'm going to let that froth, and then I'll come back, pour the cold brew, and then pour the mixture over the cold brew. Okay, so now that the mixture is done frothing, I'm going to go ahead and add in my cold brew into the cup. You pour however much you like. I normally pour until right about there. And then I'm going to add my mixture on top. It doesn't get as creamy because I use oat milk and not heavy cream. If you want to get a nice thick foam, use heavy cream or 50/50. Then from there, I'm going to give it a good stir. Just like that. And then I'm going to add in 1, maybe 2 whiskey stones. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you all enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. See y'all next time.